Okay, so today we are going to be reviewing TopView AI, which is one of these all-in-one AI platforms where you can access all the latest models from everyone, whatever it's seedance, GPT image, Happy Horse, you name it. And of course, there's many other sites like these which are having the same exact concept, but the difference obviously always comes down to what exactly is the subscriptions that they offer and what is exactly the cost and what are the perks of those subscriptions. So I'm going to be reviewing quite many of these platforms in the upcoming days and weeks so we can compare what exactly are the best platforms to generating images or videos, for example, etc. So let's just start out with the meat and the potatoes, which is actually the cost. So just so you know, in this platform, you do have access to Happy Horse, seedance 2.0, GPT Image, and Nano Banana 2, which are kind of like the top models that everybody wants to access to. I think Kling is also here. We're going to keep confirming that in a second. And then there's also Gemini Omni, which is actually rebranded on the website under a different name. So I'm going to be trying out if I can actually get that to work. Very excited to review that in the future, by the way. Now, so let's kind of get started out with the actual plans. So I did actually buy in before they had this super plan where in the business model, which was costing around $400, I believe, you would essentially get 365 days of unlimited Seedance 2.0. Now, that plan was very powerful, so they basically nerfed it. So now it's only on Ultra, which is basically $600 a year, which is not super bad, by the way, in terms of the current cost. It's on discount right now. But it only gives you 30 days of unlimited Seedance 2.0. And so that's not very good. Their credit costs for Seedance 2.0 are not too bad. So it's 10 cents per second, so $1.5 for 15 seconds in 720, which actually is quite competitive. I did do a release on my Telegram recently, so they're basically the second best after OpenArt. For comparison, see, Dreaming has 1.65, Yapper is 1.80, and Higgsfield is like $3 and Runway $6 for 15 seconds. So in terms of credit costs, it's actually one of the best in the market right now. But as I said, they have nerfed out the plans, but still you will get Nano Banana 2 Unlimited and Nano Banana Pro Unlimited and Dream and GPT-2 Image Unlimited also on the Ultra plan. Like right now, so I bought a Higgsfield for a year, but that only gives me Nano Banana Pro for Unlimited. Everything else is like basically I have to pay credit. So you got to be really smart with these plans, and sometimes you have to wait for the best plan to basically emerge. And also the models improve all the time, so you may not care for XYZ after later. Now, let's talk about what are the features here. So obviously there's agent feature here where you can go into talking about agents. Obviously those have a cost here. You can use unlimited here as well, which is actually pretty good, but I don't like using agents in general. That's not my style. I think it's kind of messy, and I just don't really have the elasticity right now to kind of learn and juggle around with it. Then there is these boards, and this is basically your work show. So I have like random things over here where I've, like this is this movie project, that video project. And I can just like have these boards, and there I have all my assets regarding that thing. So here we have the dream board, which we specified for this video alone. So I like that. This is a good workstation. Higgsfield has only one big canvas of a category. It's horrible. Runway has something like that, but it's not as convenient. So I do like the visual aspect of the board system. There's obviously multitude of different other tools here available in terms of text and images. So the image models that are available here is GPT Image 2, Nano Banana 2, CGM 5, and even Midjourney is also available here, which is really, really good. I didn't actually know that until I was making this video. Kling 1 and Context Pro and Imagen 4. Sadly, these are not also on the unlimited plan for me, at least. So it's a lot of options, actually very, very good roster of different things, more than Higgsfield. I really like the Midjourney addition here. I have to play around with it at some point, and maybe I'm been thinking about subscribing back. But that's really the problem here, guys, is that you don't really want to have multiple subscriptions to individual websites. You really want to have one platform that has freaking everything, okay? So let's get back into video. So in terms of video here, we have character swaps, upscaling. The upscaling is actually relatively good here, and it's actually not that costly for these videos, so I actually like it. Then there's obviously the omni reference, And let's actually get back into, and here, by the way, they do have a claw bot here as well. I'm not an expert to talk about that, how good is it and stuff like that, but OpenClaw is available on TopView AI. Now here is the actual platform over here, and I just like a couple of tests that I just did here. Subscribe, obviously, guys. And what I want to do is actually I want to be trying out trying out with this new TopView Omni, which is Gemini. So here I have a reference video from Grok, and I want to change the character over here. So I'm going to be uploading a reference here, and then I'm going to be generating that one. Now, I want to talk about a bit of the unlimited plan and how that exactly works, because a lot of people are now flocking over to different sites, as Runway basically said, hey, we are basically canceling out all of these, unlimited plans by September. So that kind of sucks, because unlimited plan is really, really good for people who are doing a lot of content, or maybe they're doing it for a living. It really saves you a lot of money. Now, the way it works is that we have, let's go back into the Omni reference here and look up seedance 2.0, for example. So the way it works is that you can do Omni reference video, and you can choose here from credit to unlimited mode. The way it works is that you have 4 slots for unlimited. Right now I have 3 videos coming out. One here is for testing this stuff. And this is only for 720. It's not for 1080. So if you want 1080 videos, then you have to actually pay in credits, which is incredibly expensive. And I don't really recommend it, because 720 is actually very overrated, because it actually affects the movements of your video. So I don't really recommend doing seedance 1080. Now here you can see the queue. 2,059 people ahead of me. And that's a lot of people. It used to be 300 when I started out with this plan. So a lot of people have flocked into the platform, and this is going to be taking, around ballpark of 20 hours, maybe 24, depending on the day. So that means that is actually quite slow. That means you have 4 videos every 24 hours. So that means around, 2,300 videos a year, which is still a lot in terms of the cost. You put into the cost context is a lot. Even if the 30-day plan that you take, that is still 30x4 is like 120 videos, and that's basically worth, I don't know, like $400 of videos basically. But there's a trick here. Now in Runway, for example, it doesn't matter which model do you use to seedance Fast or 2.0. The queue times are always going to be the same for seedance. But in this platform, there is actually a trick behind it. Whereas in here, you can also use image to video and text to video. And one of the benefits is that when you do prompting with image to video and text to video, the queue is different. It has a lower queue. So this is 122 people. So that means that you maybe can do like 3 image to videos per day with 1 queue. So that means, that's the wrong way to say. Basically, you could do 4 times, basically 12 videos a day with image to video. This also applies into, let me cancel this out. So sometimes it kind of cries about it if I try to do. And then lastly, there's text to video. So sometimes when as some of you already know, I'm sometimes posting into my Pro Prompts Telegram, all these videos, and usually I use text to video prompts, and those are coming out really, really fast, so it saves me time and money. But right now it's bugging out. So these types of bugs do happen on the website, so you might have to wait a couple of minutes until it allows you to do the text to video, because it's crying about there's a queue slot. So basically 4 slots, and that is shared between images and videos, which kind of sucks. So if you want to prompt images and videos at the same time, it's limited to 4. So usually what I want to do is just basically do 3 videos and then say 1 for images. I do have other platforms where I'm basically prompting out. Now, on top of this, there's also Happy Horse. This is not available on Unlimited, by the way. So, and then there's Gemini VO3, and Kling also is available here, Kling 3. And these also have their own costs to them. And basically, the seedance has 15, it's 1 credit per 1 second. So I think it's quite competitive compared to other models that they currently have here. Grok Video, that's pretty expensive. So I really, really recommend using seedance on this platform, as it is basically the most affordable. And obviously, there's going to be seedance 2.1 coming out really, really soon. So there's that too aspect as well. Now, lastly, I do want to talk about, of course, I already talked about the queue, but then there's obviously the image generation. Now you think about, oh, do I have to wait for images also 24 hours? Well, thankfully not. So Nano Banana 2, for example, is generating pretty fast. So this is showing us a queue on 3. So I'm number 3 here on the queue. That means that basically, it's not taking that long to actually generate it. So we're talking about maybe 5 minutes. It says ETA 10 minutes. Usually this is an overestimate of the actual date. So yes, image generation is still pretty fast on the slow queue, pretty much on the same level as I would say on Runway, maybe even a bit faster, I would argue. So all things considered, it is a pretty good platform. And only I forgot to mention the best part. TopView has really lower censorship than Dreamina and Runway. So what I like about when I'm prompting seedance over here, I don't have to worry about using gore and things like that. Most of the time, it will allow me to actually prompt that goddamn video, while Dreamina and Runway always gives me problems on generating those actual videos. So that's a very big major drawing point for me on this platform, is that it has no like inbuilt censorships on, prompting on the platform. There's multitude of different things like the canvas model, which you can go, and there's obviously unlimited plan for, using the agent as well, which is good in my opinion. And so there's a lot of options here. A lot of models are here. Obviously, they're changing constantly these unlimited plans, which is the important part here, which we need to really understand, because the models, when you subscribe to now to a deal, that's not the deal that people are going to be getting in the future, so they might get a better bundle. So be wary of those deals and compare them with each other. I still think, like, in terms of the annual plans, it's not like that expensive, especially with this current discount going on, and it does come along with a lot of unlimited plans for you. But the Seedance 2.0 is the king. That's what I really pay for. I don't really care about that much paying for like image models. That's not why I get the unlimited plans. But that basically wraps up my review about TopView. In terms of Seedance 2.0 cost, it's basically the second best after OpenArt. It has very low censorship basically compared to some of the other sites. And also it has multitude of different models available. There's upscaling, and those are actually upscaling is relatively cheap on the platform. And there are some like, inbuilt tools here like character swaps and things like that. But there's nothing really like something truly super unique about the platform that nobody else has. So this is not the platform for that. But if you're really high end, like really focused on Seedance, I would argue this is actually one of the best platforms to go to. Thanks for watching. Check out my referral link down below in the description and stay tuned for the next platform review. I will be seeing you guys in the next video.